Hey everybody, Mr. Bone here again with question number 6 for this year in 6th grade. Why do people emigrate? Ooh, emigrate's a fun word. It sounds like migrate, sounds like immigrate, but it's a little bit different, isn't it? So we need first to figure out, what do I need to know in order to be able to answer the question? Well, what does it mean to emigrate? We talked about this way back in the Green Book. First of all, we talked about migrating. That's when people move permanently from one place to another. This does not mean when you go down to Disney World and you visit for 4 days and you come back home. That's not migrating. That's just going on vacation. Migrating is a supposedly permanent thing. Okay, it's not going to change. So if you move permanently from one place to another, that's migrating. Emigrating is when you leave your country. Immigrating is when you come into a country. So we're asking, why do people leave? Why would people do it? Well, there's what we call push factors. Push factors are things that make people want to get out of their country. Stuff's not good here, let's leave. And then we also have pull factors. Pull factors are, this country over here looks a lot better than where we're at right now, let's go do that. So this is sort of the grass is greener on the other side kind of thing. Oh, this is the land of opportunity over there. Let's go over there. So what does that say about the country that you're leaving? Emigrating means leaving, right? Does that mean your country has low resources? Is there war or instability of some kind? A poor government, poor economy, can't find a job. Maybe the government's corrupt. Maybe they have really high taxes and take all your money or something. And then what does that say about the country that they're going to? Does that country have more resources? Is it a safe place? A lot of times people migrate when it comes to the safety of their children. That's a big important thing for a lot of people. Again, good education. I want to do better for my children. I want them to have more opportunities than I had. That's a reason to go to someplace else. And again, job opportunities. Can I provide better for my family if I go someplace and get a better job? So these are all things to think about when we ask, why do people emigrate? It's going to have a lot to do with our upcoming project, our upcoming novel. And so keep these things in mind as we're going through that project. And also, again, if you need to come back and look at these for your semester exam, this is a good place to start preparing for that exam. And I'll see you guys later.